Good morning. Today's our last day in Thailand and we are spending the morning here in Wat Arun. You should really come here in the morning since it's also called the Temple of Dawn. And when you come here and it's really windy, you get this chime sounds. So there's a lot of wind chimes. There's a reason why it's called the Temple of Dawn, because it's really beautiful in the morning. So if you're coming here to Wat Arun, make sure to come in the morning. We're trying to get back to the hotel the fastest way possible. That's a taxi. But sometimes the problems with taxis is that one, they choose their passengers, and two, they ask for flat rates, and sometimes that can be expensive versus the meter. So hopefully we get a little bit lucky today. Siam Paragon.
May basa.
Basa? Okay, we got lucky. We got a taxi and it's automatically metered. Remember when I said we were taking the taxi back to the hotel? Well, change of plans. This morning is turning out to be really exciting. Too early, but we're doing some last minute shopping. I mean, too early for the street. Too early for the street stores. So first, breakfast. To be fair, there's no Jamie Oliver's restaurant back home, so we wanted to give this a try, but then it's closed. But I'm secretly happy because I didn't want to eat there to begin with. Next destination, Siam Paragon for breakfast. What is it? It's 10:30 a.m. and they don't serve breakfast yet. We're trying to look for a restaurant that serves breakfast so that we can eat and check out in the hotel. Excuse me, do you already serve food?
Yeah?
Do you already serve food?
Hola. Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Finally found a place for breakfast. If you're here in Siam Paragon at 10:30 a.m., coffee shop has breakfast. They serve food. They serve coffee. The strawberry mochi thing is a huge hit in Japan, so we were really lucky to see one here in Siam Paragon. So we're going to try it out.
So good.
It's so good she was lost for words. See. I'll just say the strawberry and matcha went really well together. Hint of jasmine too, and it works really well together with these three. It's the place. And we made it during opening hours. I'm glad that the scars were there when she took the cover off, because I thought she was still gonna set everything up. Saves us a lot of time. We're a little pressed for time now. Okay, we got it. Now we're heading back to the hotel to check out. So a little bit of drama getting to the airport. Big taxis don't take meters, so be careful of that. We have 6 luggages and they're pressuring us to take the bigger taxi, which is a flat rate of 800 baht, which is a little bit pricey because when we came from the airport to the city, it's around 500 baht with the tolls and everything. But it seems that, you know, I just don't think that it's fair that the taxis do not use the meters. Ideally, they should. So we're trying our luck for a taxi, a big taxi with a meter.
Small one. With
just
meter.
a small one?
Because there's no big one.
Okay, so we're trying for a small one with a meter, but then we're pressed for time and we have a lot of luggages. Because look, we have 6 luggages. When we say a small taxi, it's a sedan. When we say a big taxi, it's a van. So we're thinking of our options right now, and because we're pressed for time, we might be taking the more expensive option. So make sure when you have a lot of luggages, spare 800 baht for a big van going to the airport from the city. That's all in with the tolls and with the highways, but honestly it doesn't feel really good to be having this kind of experience because it kind of feels like getting ripped off. So we got some help from the concierge here. So what he was saying is that maybe we could fit all the luggages in a small taxi that has a meter. So it's looking out. Okay, so we found a big taxi that allows meter. Lesson learned, don't do so. So if you want to get a metered taxi to the airport, that's perfectly possible. You just have to allot some time to wait and look for one. So the way it goes is that you have to pay an additional 50 baht to go to the airport, and you have to pay the expressways and toll fees, which is fair. We made it in good time, so it was around 30 to 40 minutes with the taxi. Online check-in. Always do online check-in. Today is our last day in Thailand. We're going back home. All in all, I would say it was a very good trip. So it was a very productive morning. So thank you, babe, for suggesting we go to Wat Arun. So quick update regarding the taxi situation. So the meter from the taxi was 255 baht plus 50 baht because we were going to the airport, and the tollway was 75 baht. So in total, it was around, so that's a total of 380 baht. And of course, we gave extra because he used the meter. So all in all, we paid 500 baht to get from the city to the airport. And these PAs are killing me. We're having a quick bite before we board the plane going back home. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hit the like button and see you next time.